Organizations today are sitting on a gold mine of data, but most don't know how to unlock its value. We help organizations of all sizes harness the power of their data through our advanced analytics and AI solutions. Our team of experts guides you through your digital transformation journey, helping you integrate our cutting-edge data solutions into your existing workflows and processes. We understand that every organization is unique, and we take the time to learn about your business, your challenges, and your goals, so that we can tailor our solutions to meet your specific needs. Our goal is to empower your organization to make better decisions faster by leveraging the insights hidden within your data. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, reduce costs, or gain a competitive advantage, we have the expertise and the tools to help you succeed. So if you're ready to unlock the value of your data and drive your business forward, look no further. Let us be your guide on this exciting journey. Welcome back to another episode of our series. Today's episode is titled Your Guide to Digital Transformation. Our esteemed guest speaker for today's session is guest speaker name. With an impressive career spanning over 20 years, our guest speaker has held leadership positions in renowned companies such as Shell, Vodafone, and Optus, where they played a pivotal role in driving digital transformation initiatives. Their deep industry knowledge and practical experience make them the perfect person to discuss the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the world of digital transformation. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos. Without further ado, let's dive into our discussion. As businesses increasingly rely on technology to solve complex problems and make informed decisions, the demand for skilled professionals in the field of artificial intelligence and data science continues to grow, according to Glassdoor. The average base salary for an AI engineer in the United States is $156,000 per year. In India, an AI engineer can expect to earn an average annual salary of 8 lakhs per annum. Data scientists are also in high demand with an average base salary of $140,000 per year in the United States and 7 lakhs per annum in India. However, the shortage of skilled professionals in this field poses a significant challenge for organizations looking to leverage AI and data science to their advantage. Fortunately, there are a number of online courses available to help individuals upskill and prepare for a career in these fields. One such platform that offers comprehensive and practical courses in AI, machine learning, and deep learning is Online Tech Labs. These courses are designed to provide students with the necessary skills and knowledge to pursue a career in AI and data science. Furthermore, the courses offered by Online Tech Labs are highly regarded, with many students going on to secure top job roles at major companies such as Google, Meta, Amazon, and Netflix. For those interested in pursuing a career in AI or data science, we highly recommend checking out the courses offered by Online Tech Labs. It could be the first step towards a rewarding and fulfilling career. One of the key aspects of digital transformation is the adoption of advanced analytics and AI solutions. This can help organizations streamline their operations, improve decision-making, and gain a competitive edge. However, implementing these technologies can be challenging in organizations, often face resistance from employees who are accustomed to traditional ways of working. This is where our company comes in. We specialize in guiding organizations through their digital transformation journeys and helping them overcome the challenges associated with adopting advanced analytics and AI. Our team of experts works closely with clients to understand their unique requirements and develop tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. We offer a range of services including consulting, training, and support to help organizations get the most out of their data and analytics investments. Our approach is collaborative, and we work closely with clients to ensure that they are involved in every step of the process. We believe that this hands-on approach is essential for successful digital transformation. If you're an organization that wants to thrive in the digital age, then you need to embrace advanced analytics and AI solutions. With the help of a data transformation company, you can unlock the potential of your data and drive innovation across your organization. So why wait? Contact us today and take the first step towards a successful digital transformation. Thank you for joining us for today's episode of our series. If you enjoyed the discussion and would like to continue the conversation, please feel free to reach out to us through the provided email. We would love to hear your thoughts and ideas on how to accelerate digital transformation in your organization. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks again for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Until then, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.